Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. That was so close. This driver turns into the left turn lane, then proceeds to use it to pass through lane traffic and cuts off the box truck in the intersection. What do you think happened here? Three or four cars blow through the stale, protected left turn signal. Watch until the end. The most impatient driver of this video. If OP doesn't want to turn, then I will.
Fucking jackass, road bully. They just couldn't get in and pops him in. Jesus.
His life flashed in front of his eyes. Must have found his license in a cereal box. She wasn't even looking in my direction. He just completely ignored my horn? This driver runs a red light and almost gets hit. What's a turn signal? Sometimes, I guess you just gotta turn whenever you want. This driver in left turn lane changed his mind last minute.
What's wrong with you?
Damn.
What?
Did it hit us?
No, I would have felt it.
Crazy.
Oh my God, Dashcam. Okay.
Not everyone knows how the roundabout works. caught my first crash on Dashcam. This Cybertruck driver decides to block traffic both ways.
What are they doing?
I honked to let them know I was in their blind spot when changing lanes. This, my friends, is why you buy a Dashcam. Good drivers miss their exit sometimes, but bad drivers never do. Is he trying to flirt with this girl?
Dude, come on.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.